How long does the ADT Doorbell Camera battery last?
Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to be talking about the battery life of your ADT Doorbell Camera. If you've ever wondered how long the battery lasts on one of these devices, you're in the right place.
What is the average battery life of an ADT Doorbell Camera?
The ADT Doorbell Camera is a fantastic piece of tech that allows you to secure your home and see who's knocking from anywhere. But like all devices, it needs power to function. So, how long does the battery last? The battery life of the ADT Doorbell Camera can last up to 3 to 6 months on average. However, this depends on several factors, such as the usage, the number of motion events, the weather, and your Wi-Fi strength.
How does usage affect battery life?
When considering the battery life of your ADT Doorbell Camera, it's important to factor in how often you use it. The more frequently you access live view, the quicker your battery will deplete. This also applies to the number of motion events your camera records. More motion events mean more recordings, which will consume more battery power.
Can weather and Wi-Fi strength influence battery life?
The answer is yes. Both of these factors can indeed influence the battery life of your ADT Doorbell Camera. Extreme cold or hot weather can affect the battery performance. Also, if your camera is struggling to maintain a solid Wi-Fi connection, it will use more power to try and keep that connection stable. So, ensure your device is within a good range of your router for optimal battery performance. So, there you have it. On average, you can expect your ADT Doorbell Camera battery to last between 3 to 6 months, depending on various factors. Keeping an eye on how often you're using the live view, your home's motion events, the weather, and your Wi-Fi strength can help ensure you're getting the most out of your device. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any more questions about your ADT Doorbell Camera, don't hesitate to ask. Stay safe and secure.